The Acefit Pro open-ear headphones deliver a unique combination of comfort, environmental awareness, and surprisingly rich audio quality, making them an intriguing option for runners, cyclists, office workers, and anyone who values both sound and safety. In this review, I'll take you through every key aspect, from their innovative ear hook design and all-day wearability to their actual sound performance in different environments. We'll test call clarity with their noise-reducing mics, measure real-world battery life, and ultimately answer the most important question: do these headphones justify their price tag? If you've ever struggled with traditional earbuds, causing ear fatigue, or blocking out too much ambient noise, this might be the solution you've been waiting for. Let's find out together. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. Right from the moment you open the box, the Acefit Pro makes an impressive first impression with its premium presentation. The eco-friendly packaging unfolds to reveal carefully arranged components, the sleek earpieces resting in their case, a high-quality USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and an unexpected but welcome addition, a microfiber cleaning cloth, a rare inclusion that shows attention to detail. The earpieces themselves strike a perfect balance between sporty functionality and elegant design, featuring a sophisticated matte finish complemented by transparent accents that offer a glimpse of the internal technology. At just 7 grams per earpiece, they practically disappear when worn, while the flexible, titanium-reinforced ear hooks provide a secure yet comfortable fit that stays put during even the most intense workouts. The charging case continues the premium aesthetic with its unique transparent design, looking like polished glass but crafted from durable, lightweight plastic that weighs only 73 grams, including the earpieces. Every element, from the satisfying magnetic closure of the case to the thoughtful layout of accessories, contributes to an unboxing experience that feels meticulously planned and genuinely premium. The Acefit Pro immediately stands out with its innovative LED digital display, a floating battery indicator that clearly shows power levels for each earbud in real time. This clever feature solves the common frustration of guessing battery life, and the futuristic display looks absolutely stunning in person. But the innovation doesn't stop there. These earbuds feature a groundbreaking luminous design with industry-leading night safety mode, where subtle breathing lights pulse gently in the low-light conditions. Whether you're cycling at dusk or jogging before sunrise, this intelligent lighting system significantly improves visibility while maintaining a sleek, modern aesthetic. Built specifically for active lifestyles, the Acefit Pro utilizes an open-ear acoustic design that completely eliminates ear canal pressure. The titanium-reinforced memory ear hooks conform perfectly to your ear shape, providing a secure yet weightless feel that stays locked in place during even the most intense workouts. The open-ear concept offers the dual benefit of full environmental awareness, crucial for urban commuters and outdoor athletes alike. Durability meets everyday practicality with an IP54 rating, offering reliable protection against both sweat and dust. You can confidently use them through heavy rainstorms or intense gym sessions without concern. The combination of these thoughtful features creates headphones that truly adapt to your active life, day or night. Having tested numerous open-ear headphones, I found most struggle with weak bass performance, but the Acefit Pro, trust me, it completely shatters that expectation. These deliver shockingly rich audio with bass that actually feels substantial, a rare achievement for this design. The secret lies in its advanced acoustic engineering. Oversized 20x8mm dynamic drivers paired with a 3-magnet superlinear speaker system work in harmony with the proprietary AELC bass enhancement technology. This combination produces not just deep, resonant low-end, but also remarkably clear mids and sparkling highs that remain distortion-free even at higher volumes. What truly impresses is how well-balanced the sound signature remains across different content. Podcast voices sound natural and articulate, while music maintains excellent separation between instruments. The Bluetooth 5.4 connection provides rock-solid stability with virtually no dropouts, and while it supports AAC and SBC codecs, the audio quality remains consistently satisfying for daily use. But don't just take my word for it. Let's experience it together. That deep kick drum you're hearing, the crisp instrument details, that's the Acefit Pro delivering what most open-ear headphones simply can't. The Acefit Pro's dual ANC microphone system represents a significant leap in open-ear headphone call quality. These precisely tuned mics don't just reduce background noise, they use advanced beamforming technology to actively pinpoint and amplify your voice while suppressing wind interference and environmental chatter. The result, crystal clear call quality that maintains impressive clarity even in moderately noisy settings like busy streets or crowded cafes. What's equally impressive is how the directional audio projection keeps sound locked to your ears with minimal leakage. While extremely loud environments might still cause some voice distortion, for typical daily use, whether you're taking work calls, chatting while walking, or sending voice messages, the performance exceeds expectations for open-ear headphones. But hearing is believing. Let's put these mics to the test in different environments so you can experience the difference for yourself.
Alright guys, so this is the microphone test of the Acefit Pro. I'm here outside my room and there's some echo here. Maybe you didn't hear it, but yeah, there's an echo here outside my room. So guys, again, this is the microphone test of the Acefit Pro.
Notice how my voice remains clear while the background noise stays subdued. That's the power of Acefit Pro's intelligent microphone system at work. When it comes to battery, the Acefit Pro delivers solid battery performance that balances capacity with smart features. You'll get 6 hours of continuous playback from the earbuds themselves, extending to a full 25 hours when combined with the charging case. Impressive considering the power-hungry LED display and luminous earbud features. The quick charge function is particularly useful, delivering 2 hours of playtime from just a 10-minute charge, perfect when you're rushing out for a workout. Where these headphones really shine is through their companion app, which offers exceptional customization. You can reprogram all touch controls like single tap, double, and triple taps to your preference, toggle the earbuds LED lights on or off, and even personalize the RGB lighting colors in the case. A fun touch that adds personality. While you won't find premium features like wireless charging or dual device pairing, these omissions help maintain an accessible price point without sacrificing core functionality. For most users, the combination of decent battery life, rapid charging, and deep customization options more than justifies the trade-offs. After thoroughly testing the Acefit Pro, I can confidently say these are among the best open-ear headphones for active users. They solve the two biggest pain points of traditional earbuds, ear fatigue and situational awareness, while delivering surprisingly robust audio quality. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the secure, titanium-reinforced fit that stays put during intense workouts, while commuters benefit from both environmental awareness and clear call quality. Priced at $125, they hit the sweet spot between premium features and affordability, outperforming many competitors in their class. While audiophiles might still prefer noise-isolating models, the Acefit Pro delivers where it matters most for its target audience: all-day comfort, reliable performance, and thoughtful safety features. If you're ready to experience open-ear audio done right, check the link in the description. These deserve a spot in your daily routine. For those valuing comfort and awareness without sacrificing sound quality, this is hands down one of the easiest recommendations I can make. Alright, that's it for today's review of the Acefit Pro open-ear headphone. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out!